So I was able to create a code calculator, and I've been able to embed it on my website. And as you can see, this code calculator is working perfectly fine. When you click on get codes, you will see that you get the exact codes, okay, and it's working perfectly fine. So let me show you how you can do the exact same thing, okay, without writing a single code yourself. All that you have to do is simply go to Google and then come and search for Lovable. Then hit enter. That is the platform that you're going to use to create the app. Then come and select it. It is going to bring you right here to the official site. Come and click on log in. And then when you click on log in, you have to create an account. So simply come here to don't have account, come and click on create your account. So it's going to change to create your account, and then you can create an account by simply coming to click on continue with Google, okay, and that is it. They are going to ask you where you heard about us. Simply come here and then come and click on skip, and then you can also come and then click on maybe later, and that is it. You'll be brought right here where you can build your app. So to build the app, just explain in plain English what you want your code calculator to be like. I'm having a prompt. Pin in the comment down below. This prompt you can copy it and then come and then paste the exact prompt right here. After that, simply come and then click on the submit, and that is it. Just sit back, relax, and then wait for your code app to be created for you, just like this, in seconds, okay. That I simply come here and come and click on publish, and then that is it. You'll be given a shareable link, okay. As you can see, this is the link that you can copy and then you can share it, but you can also customize the link by simply coming here to the publish. You click on it, and then when you come here to where we have the published site, okay, so this link you can simply come and then customize by clicking on the edit option, and over here you have the option to come and then rename the project, okay. Don't break any space, okay, just type in the name and then come and click on rename project, and that is it. You have successfully customized it. So when you come here to the publish, over here we need the publish site, okay, link. We need that public link. So simply come and then right click on it, and then come and click on copy link address. That is what you are going to use, okay. So after that, what you have to do now is to simply go to your website, come to the dashboard, and then come to the post and come and select all posts, okay. Then come and select the posts where you want to put the code calculator. So this is mine. Then come and click on the edit. So when you click on the edit, you see that we have it right here on top. Come and click on edit with Elementor. If you don't have it, this is how to get it. Just go to your dashboard and then come here to plugins, and then come and then click on add plugin, okay, to install the Elementor. It will bring you right here to where it says add plugins, and then from the search bar you can simply come and then search for Elementor, okay, just like this, and then hit enter. Simply come and then select the official Elementor, that is Elementor website builder, this one, and then come and click on install now. It is going to install. After it's finished installing, you have to activate it by coming to click on activate. So when you click on activate, it is going to open the Elementor for you, and then you have to come and then connect your account, or you can create one by simply clicking on create my account, and that is it. You can use Google, continue with Google to create your account, and as you can see, I have successfully created an account. Then simply come and then link it by clicking on link your account. So when you click on it, you can come and click on connect, and that is it. You can come and skip all this by clicking on skip, and then skip this one by clicking on skip, skip this one too by clicking on skip, and that is it. You can come and then publish your first Elementor by clicking on publish, and that is it. So to see that it has been installed, just go to dashboard and then come here to where we have the plugins, okay, and come and click on installed plugins. You will see that you will find the Elementor installed successfully, just like this one. So now you can simply go back to the page where you want to put the codes, and then come and then click on edit with Elementor, and it's going to open just like this. So this is where you are going to drag our widgets, okay. So simply come here to the elements where you have the widgets, come and then search for HTML, okay. That is it. So this is it. What you have to do is simply drag it right here, and then come and then leave it right where it says drag the widget here. Okay, and then what you have to do is simply come and then paste in the code calculator HTML here. So what you are going to do is that go to ChatGPT and then tell ChatGPT to make a mobile responsive HTML iframe embedded, okay, with scroll bar for the link. And the link is the link that we copied, okay, from where you created your app. The link that we copied, come and then paste the link right in just like this. And then all that you have to do is simply come and then click on the submit. So when you click on the submit, ChatGPT is going to give you the HTML codes. You don't have to write it yourself. So as you can see, we have the HTML codes here. Simply come here to where you have the copy and come and click on copy to copy it. And then when you copy it, simply come back here and then come and then paste in the code just like that. So you right click and then come and click on paste. And that is it. You have your code pasted and then you have your code calculator previewed. Okay, all that you have to do, if you're okay with it, simply come in and come and click on the publish, and that is it. You have published your code calculator on your website. You can come in and click on the mobile preview, and then you are going to see how the code calculator is going to look on mobile version as well. And it's looking perfectly fine. And if you're okay with it, that is it. You can simply go back to the desktop mode and then go back to your blog post. Okay, so when you go to the desktop, the dashboard, you go to the post and then go to all posts. You see that you have your post right here. You can come and click on view and then you have it. This is exactly how it's going to look like. Let's test it. Okay, so I'm going to fill in everything and I'm going to click on get quote, and that is it. You see it's working perfectly fine. So this is how to create a free code calculator for absolutely free. Like the video and then see you in my next video.